Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the fast glow wall trick. Start by understanding the core mechanics of the glow wall trick. This involves precise timing and positioning. First, you'll need to master the initial jump, ensuring your character lands perfectly against the wall. Next, focus on optimizing your movement speed. A faster speed can significantly improve your execution. We'll cover these foundational steps to get you started on the right foot, making sure you build a solid base for advanced techniques. Now let's dive into the core technique, the wall slide. After your initial jump, you need to execute a quick, precise slide along the wall's surface. It's crucial to maintain consistent contact throughout this movement. Immediately following the slide, practice the timing of your second jump. This second jump is key to gaining maximum height and distance, propelling you over obstacles with ease. Repetition is vital here to build muscle memory. Moving on to advanced timing and precision, refining your jump timing is paramount for seamless transitions. Experiment with slight delays or accelerations to find what works best for different scenarios. Adjusting your camera angles can also provide optimal visibility and control, giving you a clearer view of your surroundings. Finally, incorporate quick turns during your wall trick to navigate complex environments efficiently, allowing for greater versatility in your movements. To truly master the fast glow wall trick, consistent practice is non-negotiable. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to focused practice sessions. During these sessions, concentrate on one specific aspect of the trick, like the initial jump or the second jump timing, until it feels natural. Additionally, analyze your replays to identify any areas where you can improve your execution. With dedication, you'll achieve consistent and flawless performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.